I'm going to show you how to apply a mask to an adjustment layer that will allow you to only affect the area of the photo that is revealed by the mask. So what I am going to do with this photo is I would like to just isolate this man's shirt because I would like to apply a levels adjustment layer to it. So let's go ahead and go to the adjustments and choose levels, and that places a levels adjustment layer in our layer stack. And the adjustment layer is already set up with a layer mask attached. So we want to make sure that the layer mask is selected, and we know that it's selected if we have this little white outline around it. And in order to isolate the shirt, I'm going to use the polygonal lasso tool, which I already have here in under my lasso tool. I have that selected. All right, so I need to go ahead and just draw a selection around the shirt. Okay, now that I have the selection, what I need to do is go to the Select menu and choose Inverse, and then go to Edit and Fill, and choose Black. You can see in the thumbnail that everything on that mask is hidden except for the area of the shirt. So let's deselect, and then we can go ahead and just try out our levels, and we can see that as I adjust this that only the shirt is being affected. So what I would like to do with this is just maybe get a little bit more of a range of light to dark within the area of the shirt. Alright, so we can see how that's affecting only the shirt. If I would like to apply another adjustment layer to just affect that shirt, then what I could do is, let's say I want to, why don't we try curves? Let's do that. Okay, so just go ahead and select curves, and actually I should rename this. So let's see, levels is going to be shirt levels, and curves can be shirt curves. Okay, now in order to mask out the shirt on the curves, we can take a little bit of a shortcut here. I can hold the Command key and hover over this shirt levels mask, and it reselects the area of the shirt. And then let's make sure that the curves adjustment layer is selected, which I do have here, and then go to the Select menu, choose Inverse, go to Edit, Fill, and then Black. And so now we basically have a duplicate mask. So I'm going to deselect, and now I can go ahead and adjust the curves. Alright, so the adjustments I'm making are not, I don't want to go too extreme, but I just want to go kind of subtle, just to give a little bit more interest or detail or range of lights and darks in that shirt. So there's yeah, that's not too much. Let's go back and there we go. Okay. So here's the original. Here's with the levels, and then here's with the addition of the curves as well.